Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning all of you. My dear 5th class students, we will discuss about the time from your workbook value page number 6. See here, convert the following years into centuries. See here solution. 400 years. Years is converted into centuries, means the small quantity is converted into big quantity, or the small unit is converted into large unit. Now I have to take divide. Here 1 century is equals to 100 years. Then 400 years is equals to 400 by 100 centuries. See here 0 0 0 0, then we can get 4 by 1, so 4 centuries. Therefore 400 years, that is equals to 4 centuries. Write down everybody better. Now next one. Next 10 centuries into years. Solution. See here, centuries is converting to years, then we have to take into multiply, because the large unit is converted to small unit. Then 1 century see here Nana, 1 century, that is equals to 100 years. Write down everybody. Then 10 centuries, that is equals to 10 is multiplied with 100. So 10 into 100 you can get 1000 years. Therefore 10 centuries 1000 years. 10 centuries, that is just 1000 years. Now next one. Twenty decades into 20 decades into centuries. Decades into centuries. See here, decades is converted to century. Then smaller unit is converted to larger unit. So we have to take divide. Then 20 decades. See here, 1 century. That is equals to 10 decades. 20 decades, that is equals to 20 by 10 centuries. Ten 1 the 10, 10 2 the 20. So 2 by 1 we can get 2 centuries. Therefore 20 decades, that is equals to 2 centuries. Now next, two millenniums. Two millenniums. Into years later. See here, millenniums. The larger quantity is converted into smaller quantity. So I have to take multiply. Then 2 millenniums. 1 millennium is equals to 1000 years. Then 2 millenniums. is equals to 2 is multiplied with 1000. Then 2 into 1000 you can get 2000 years. Therefore 2 millenniums, that is equals to 2000 years. Now next one beta. Seven thousand years into millenniums. See here, years is converted into millenniums. Means the larger quantity is converted to the smaller quantity is converted into larger quantity. Then we have to take divide. 7,000 years, 1 millennium is equals to 1,000 years. 7,000 years, that is equals to 7,000 by 1,000. See here, 1 space 0, 1 space 0, 10 space 0, 100 space 100 space. 7 by 1 you can get 7. Therefore, 7,000 years you can get 7 millennium. Next one, 30 centuries into millenniums. See here, centuries is converted into millenniums. Means here the smaller quantity is converted to larger quantity. So I have to take divide. 30 centuries. 1 millennium is equals to 10 centuries. Centuries is equals to how many millions? Then 30 by 10. See 10 1 the 10 3 the 3 by 1 3. For 30 centuries, that is close to 3 millenniums. Now next bit better, page number 7. The class 5th students of a school participated in a painting competition. The class 5th students of a school participated in a painting competition. They were divided into 2 teams as shown below. The team which completes the painting in the shortest duration wins. ఎవరైతే తక్కువ టైంలో పెయింటింగ్ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళు విన్నర్ అవుతారు. అబ్జర్వ్ ద గివెన్ టేబుల్స్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్ ద కరస్పాండింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. హియర్ టీమ్ ఏ పార్టిసిపేట్ నేమ్, టైమ్ టేకెన్ ఇన్ మినిట్స్. జాన్ 56 minutes, నిఖిల్ 49 minutes, సౌమ్య 60 minutes, సోహెల్ 42 minutes. Now team B, participate name, time in minutes. Vaibhav 58 minutes, Jesse 40 minutes, Meera 52 minutes, Vincent 44 minutes. Now here first one, all together team Team A. Painted for dash hours, dash minutes. Now solution beta. Then you can write here hours and minutes column. Here 56 minutes, 49 minutes, 60 minutes, 42 minutes. See here, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 2, 17. Carrying 1 way. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. Once again check it. 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 1 carrying, 1 plus 6, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. So, here, therefore, total number of minutes that is equals to 207. See here, total number of minutes, you can get 207 minutes. Then minutes is converted into hours. The smaller quantity is converted into larger quantity. We have to take divide by 60. See here, 207 minutes, that is equals to 207 by 60. Okay, see here, 60, 207, 63 is 180, 300, 36 is 80, 64 is 400, 46 is 24. See here, the given number is divided, that is 207. 240 is more than 207, then we have to take 63 is 180. Subtract. 7 minus 0, 7, 0 minus is not possible. Take borrowing from 2, it can give 10, 10 is added to 0, you can get 10. 2 it can last one, 2 becomes 1, 10 minus 8, you can get 2, 1 minus 1 0. See here beta, this is divisor. So divisor is goes to hours and remainder is goes to minutes. Then you can write, therefore 207 minutes is equals to 3 hours 27 minutes. Then you can write here 3 hours 27 minutes. Everybody write down in your CW beta solution. Write down in your CW. Now next one beta. All together TV painted for dash hours dash minutes. Solution: hours column, minutes column. 58 minutes plus 40 minutes plus 52 minutes plus 44 minutes. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 14, 4 taking 1 carry, 1 plus 6, 1 plus 5, sorry, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 4 19. See here, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 14, 4 taking 1 carry, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 4 19. Therefore, total number of minutes, that is equals to 194 minutes. Then you can find out hours and minutes. Here, minutes is equals to how many hours and how many minutes. So I have to take divide by 60. 194 by 60. See here, 63 is 180, 64 is 240. So 240 is more than 194. So I have to take 63 is 180. 4 minus 0, 4, 9 minus 8, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So, this is goes to hours and also remainder this goes to minutes. Therefore, 194 minutes, that is goes to 3 hours 14 minutes. Who is winner? Team B. Okay, beta, today your class is completed. Thank you to all.